cold.
Pangita sa camera.
It's so cold.
Sakay na, tugnaw.
Hi!
Hello vlog.
Hi, we're here in Ashburton.
Hello vlog. Ay. Really?
Hi, so we're here in Toisel. Look at the view. Look at the view. It is so nice. You vlog ha. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Going on a walk.
Who's with you?
Barbie.
Huh?
Barbie.
Where are you?
I'm in a forest.
What forest?
This forest.
What do you call this for? It's mountain.
It's Mark Cook.
Oh. You put it in your hand so that it won't fall. Inside no. Oh. Next, so that you can,
Hold it properly, ha?
you do the vlogging.
Okay. You should talk.
Okay. Hi.
Not too close to your face.
Okay, we're going to the bench and see what we can find.
Like that or like that?
Like this?
Yes. Yeah, you should talk.
Hi. Let's go on an adventure. Whee! Fast, 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 fast.
Asan ang bata? Paulitin dito.
Nagda ko, sig madamag ba? Patay di na mabahat. Bella, when we get back, tell Daddy we're gonna buy ice cream, okay?
Where's my ice cream?
Yeah, but you should tell Daddy.
I tell them. No. What is that? That's not good.
Barbie's gone.
No! Barbie! Barbie! Barbie!
Naman yung madamag bata.
Sobrahan nagkaog timtam ba? Pila kay nahuro timtam ani.
Goma. Shara.
Hyper. Oh, what happened?
I got stung. I got stung. See, look. Look, I got stung. Right here.
What stung you?
A bee.
A bee? Big one or Jolly? Oh, maybe it's Jollibee.
Yeah, Jollibee. Because I'm going to eat him.
You're gonna eat the Jollibee.
Here, the birdlings flat. It's very flat.